up guys, it's your girl Brittany Sky here, and today I have a video for you guys. Yes, it's on how I got this look. It was very rushed as per usual. I have a gig and I gotta go get to it, but if you want to see how I got this look right here using these greens and blues to go with my fit, then keep watching. And if you want to see the full fit, you know what to do. Instagram, TikTok, all those places. Instagram. Anyways, love you guys and thanks for watching. So first things first, we're gonna start off by using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm gonna put some of it in my hands. Honestly, I've been going back and forth with this and the Professional by Benefit. I like them both a lot. I wore the Professional the other day. It was given, shrunk those pores for sure. This Hydro Grip, I think it is going to hold my makeup on. So now that we got that on, I'm gonna put on my foundation. For foundation, I am using the Lancome right now. I have to try, I got the One Size Beauty BB cream. I gotta try that with you guys just because. Maybe for like our everyday clean girl makeup look. If you guys wanna see a clean girl makeup look, let me know. But tonight we going glam, we gonna glam it up. I changed my camera setup. So it's kind of hard. The lighting's always against me, I swear. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little contour. I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C18. It looks like this. Sometimes I use another one, or one of the TikTok tricks that I love is when you use your eyebrow pencil to contour your nose. Actually, let's use the eyebrow pencil and then let's go over it. And if you guys see me looking down, it's because there's a mirror right under you guys, so. And I like start from in here, just because I feel like it kind of looks more natural. And you could even go as far as into the crease, because that's how we're gonna hide that line into the crease. So now I'm gonna put on the Makeup Revolution over it. Honestly, what I should do first is I should buff it out. So let's buff it out. Like with a really light hand. And the thing that I'm learning with makeup is, girl, I am very heavy-handed, but I'm learning soft and gentle because we're living a soft life all around, even when we apply our makeup. I should probably tell you guys also about this gig that I'm about to do because, you know, these videos are a little more personal. So what the girls are getting on TikTok and Instagram, y'all not getting here. Y'all getting, you know, the real deal. So now I'm gonna I want a more defined contour, so I'm gonna just make some dots. Follow the line that I just made, and then I'm gonna buff that up, and then we're on to the next step, which is probably setting it. And just like that. There's like steps that I can't talk through. One of them is this, and the other one is doing my brows. I don't know why. By the way, I went off camera and did my brows, but in case you haven't noticed, but I wanna brush it down because we're creating a shadow. And then I swoop it into the crease of my eye so it connects with the rest of my makeup. You're gonna do the same to the other side, and then bam. That looks harsh as hell. This lighting is throwing me off, so I'm gonna do it this way. And if you make a harsh line, like I always say, you can always take your foundation brush, put a little foundation on it, and then go back in and just brush over it. And that kind of doesn't make it look as harsh. But you still get those lines. Honestly, I kind of like it like this. Yeah, I like it like this. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with our Morphe filter effect in the shade 15, and you can set it. And it's looking a little harsh now, but don't worry. It's because I really can't see with this lighting. I'm gonna make it look natural. From this angle, it looks a little more natural. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on our concealer. And I am using Too Faced in the shade Mocha. Looks like this. Too Faced Born This Way to be exact. And then I'm gonna do it here and then give myself a little lift. As per usual, guys, I'm rushing, so my gig starts soon. I am DJing my friend's birthday party. Him and I have been friends for a very long time. Cool guy. And I'm just, you know, proud. It's kind of cool to see your friends evolve. You guys all evolve together. Like my friend, I've been knowing him for some time. He lived in New York. I lived in New York as well. And now he's on to do really great things. And we're both in the same city. So he's having a party. Last year his party was insane. Talk about Mr. Popular. So insane that I didn't even make it. But this year we've gotten a lot closer, and like I said, we've been friends for a very, very long time. So he asked me to DJ, and I was like, heck yeah, hell yeah. So here I am getting ready. It's gonna be at a place that I had my birthday party at. It's a place called Harriet's in LA. The guys that run Hwood Group, they own like a bunch of clubs and nightlife spots. It's their spot. So I'm just gonna bring this up into here. It always looks better in this mirror. I'm gonna have to move my camera back because Lord. Then I'm gonna take my One Size setting powder in the shade Translucent, and I'm just gonna set that really quick. And there's like proper ways to set it. I'm just not, you know, all the way good. But then anyways, some really cool things have been happening around me, guys, and I cannot wait for, well, I can't wait to share them with you. I got a little distracted with work, but I'm back in the game. I'm like, wow, I'm pissed. My light went out. I have been working and working and working. So I haven't really told the internet, but I was working out a lot, and I miss working out so much because it kept me like really disciplined. Now I'm just like, and that's not good. I still get my work done, but like I feel like I'm falling off a little bit. And that's because not too long ago, I fell off a scooter and really thought I broke my legs. Like it was so crazy, like so crazy how it happened too. It was really innocent, and it was on one of those bird scooters. I went to the ER, got my leg checked, wasn't broken, thank God. Then they sent me to an MRI specialist, got an MRI, nothing torn, thank goodness, because my brother tore both of his, and just being down bad like that, like not being able to work, not being able to do nothing, especially right before summer, is tragic. So I'm really grateful that that wasn't the case, but I still couldn't use my leg like that. It basically heals like a fracture. So I was working out every single day, and that was something that was keeping me really disciplined and on my A game. And I feel like I lost all the muscle because it's been like 5-6 weeks. Honestly, tomorrow I think I'm gonna start back. I miss Pilates. I gotta tell y'all about this place called Solid Core. It is one of my favorite places to work out. Y'all are gonna have to get me in check because I feel like I'm a mess. Anyways, I'm gonna go on the Siete Dress Like a Rabbit palette, and I'm gonna use this color Carrot Cake. I don't know if you guys can see it. This one right here. And I'm just gonna like put that on the lid. I'd be telling myself, slow down, take your time, because when you move fast, you mess up, and then it takes even longer to get it right. So just like, chill out, B. Anyways, I don't even know what I was talking to y'all about. Oh yeah, I was basically saying how I was down bad and I couldn't work out, and it kind of messed up my routine because I was waking up real early. I was getting my work done. I had like a really good routine. If I'd go out, I'd know like, okay, ain't no drinking because you gotta wake up early, and like, I like made it a thing to myself to not switch my classes, like the time. So I just kind of fell off of that. So this is what it's looking like so far. Now I'm gonna go in with green. I'm feeling really bold right now, and I don't know if I want to use like, I don't know if I want to use this green right here, or if I want to use this green in the NYX palette. Oh, I don't even know if I ever opened this, child. Okay, so we're gonna use this NYX green, this one right here, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye. I feel like when I'm working, I always try to go a little crazy with the colors and the looks. I try to like, you know, use this as an excuse to have fun with my makeup because I want to stand out. And I mean, when you're that girl, you're just that girl. No, I'm just kidding. I just be wanting to stand out with my makeup, truthfully. Then I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Put that on, just like that. I need to hurry up because I'd be really taking my time. But remember what I said, like I don't want to mess up, because if I mess up, then it's over. I gotta start over and I ain't got time to start over. And the reason why I kept my setting powder on the bottom is just in case I mess up. As you can see, it falls out and it won't stick to the actual makeup that's underneath. So that's why I did that. So now that I have this on, I'm gonna go back in because I really want this color inside to pop. So I'm gonna go back in with the nude and like make it stand out, because I want it to be like nude on the lid and then the outer corner to be green. You feel me? Kind of like a little ombre effect. Okay, so this is where I get extra and I get extra nervous. And I'm chomping this gum like a little bird. I'm gonna put the green on my waterline and I'm really gonna concentrate on this, so I'm gonna just shut up. I'm a little nervous to see how this is gonna brush away, but we shall see. You know, it's so crazy. It'd be so crazy how like I do my makeup better when I'm not recording. Every single time. I'm sure there's other like makeup beauty people that can relate, beauty gurus on here, except they're the gurus, I am not. But I'm on my way to becoming one. I do think though that if I had to go on the road, well, I mean, I have been on the road plenty of times, touring and stuff, I'd be doing my thing. Now, if only I toured now, I would be good, because I think I'm not so bad. I mean, I'm not a makeup artist, but close enough. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Tres Luce pencil in the shade Viva, and I'm gonna just literally use this to go in and hit my waterline. Honestly, I could have just used this to do the whole bottom because it's the perfect match, but it's okay. We live and we learn. Wow, my friends are here, hold on. Now I'm gonna brush away. Wow, I put on jazz music just now and it sounds like the ice cream truck is here. It's really my friends here. Hopefully this setting spray will fix that little area that I teared up in. I haven't teared in so long. So why is it happening now? I do not know. I'm gonna have to talk to y'all with my friends because they're here and we was having a conversation. So now I'm gonna go in with the Off Tropic NYX palette in the shade Blue. I think I'm gonna do one of these. Just like add a pop of color if it picks up on the brush. A pop of blue. And it's because I'm wearing blue and green. I'm color blocking a little bit. Like the whole outfit is blue and green. I've been having a lot of fun with my outfits. I feel like here I do beauty, TikTok, I do outfits, Instagram, I just be doing everything. Reels, TikToks, beauty, everything. But I'm gonna start doing outfits on here too. I said I was gonna do it, but I haven't yet. So if you guys are looking for some outfit inspiration, hit up my TikTok at Brittany Sky, and I'm at Brittany Sky on everything basically, except for here. I am B Sky Beauty here. Now I'm gonna take these Ardell Mink lashes and I'm going to, they're here. Let me open the door first. If it gets chaotic in here, guys, I'm sorry, we in this together. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Marc Jacobs in Black Quad and just put it in the waterline. All right, so now I'm gonna go with this Pat McGrath Labs in the shade Love Struck. And I am just gonna put it on the apples, my cheeks. Pull it up. So I took this Pat McGrath Golden Nectar highlighter, I put it down the bridge of my nose, and I kind of made a mess, but it's all right. All right, I'm putting some of that Golden Nectar here just to brighten up the brow bone. I'm gonna put on some mascara. I contoured a little bit off camera. I'm sorry guys, my friends are waiting. And Mama's gotta go to work. And I will show you the finished look. Okay, now I'm going in with Limitless by Makeup Forever on my lips. And what are we gonna do about our lip color? We don't know. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Cover Star. I'm gonna put that right in the middle. Just like that. I'm gonna go in with the Tower 28 in the shade Coconut. And going back in with Limitless. And next, we're gonna go in with this YSL mascara and just take our time. And lastly, I'm gonna spray the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Fitting Spray all over. Yeah. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I try to do something fun. Everything is falling apart because, as usual, I am in a rush. I literally have to be at this place in 20 minutes. Will I do it? Yes, I will. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know what to do. If you guys want to see more makeup looks, let me know. Okay? Bye.